Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you love eating healthy, colorful salads, this salad spinner set from SNCO Home makes prep and cleanup a breeze. We all know how good salads are for us, but the thought of dirtying all of those dishes to then have to clean them all up can really be a deterrent from making a nice, healthy salad. But with this kit, you have pretty much everything that you need. All these different attachments give you the perfect cut for each of your toppings. From a thicker shred to a finer shred, even a slicer for perfectly sliced cucumbers. I love making my own salad dressing as a healthier option, so this salad dressing mixing bottle with measurements makes it really easy to do that and also really convenient to serve. And then for cleanup, you can just throw some soapy water in the bottle and mix it up. So if you're looking for an awesome salad spinner, I highly recommend this one from SNCO Home. And that's my point of view.